Sleazy?
What's up, man? What's up, Pharaoh? What's up, man? You the man. What's up?
Oh, you look fresh, bro.
Hey, man. Threads.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, you look clean.
Hey, squat.
Okay.
I just landed you the deal of the century with fat back tater chips.
Woo!
Yeah, man.
My man, I love them chips. And you know the commercial? I can't wait.
I'm telling you, man.
Okay, so what kind of money we talking about?
Oh. Good deal.
Woo! 480,000?
Hold up. Let me see that. Man, $480. Well, let me cut you loose. I got more mega deals put together real quick. All right?
Yeah, whatever, little buddy. Man, I'm out.
Yeah. Okay, we walk off in the trick, coughing in the spit, tearing bags of Hall honey lemon in the trick, popping bottles with a thick safety cap up in the trick. I mean, he sees a lot of germs, but all they do a lot of this. I got the eyes on the telephone, so I grabbed a neti pot, threw the salt on. Got a big nose, about to blast off. A lot of mucus running and nostrils so raw. They like looking FI, coughing like on DI, eyes and swollen, looking like BI. Deep breath, blowout, go in, show out. Meds on sale, Coop, I gotta go hard. This cold so whack, my nose so stuck. This cold so whack, my nose so stuck. This cold so whack, my nose so stuck. Got a bottle stuff, Noctra and Vic Vapor Rub. Cough. I got a bottle stuff, Noctra and Vic Vapor Rub. Full sick tricks and I came to spray. Don't qualify for Medicare, fool, you got to pay. Now you looking for them soup and them snacks, girl. Make your way on up to aisle 6, girl. Okay, rub your body down with a ham sandwich, peppermint, diagnosed with gold flu, then you gotta deal with it. Get right blow, get left blow. Head feeling big and swollen like Peyton Manning folk. Every day I gotta sneeze and cough. Another dose of NyQuil and I'm gonna fall. I got a bunch of cooties, don't get none from me. A bucket full of snot while I bust them open if you really want
It's
some.
cold so whack.
My nose so stuck.
It's cold so whack.
My nose so stuck. This cold so whack. My nose so stuck. Got a bottle stuff, Noctra and Vic Vapor Rub. Cough. I got a bottle stuff, Noctra and Vic Vapor Rub.
Ain't no physician like a Sanjay Gupta. Pop that knowledge like encyclopedia.
Excuse me.
Fall real ill to a walk-in pneumonia. Pop back up with a defibrillator.
Yeah.
Burp like a frog, spit like a llama. Dr. Lisa Masson is a hot little mama.
Okay.
Hands all grubby, nose all bloody. I'm killing these methods like a pack of candy. Ain't feeling too dapper, I ain't trying to front. Got fire in my gut, spreading like a duck. Where you at, folk? Where you at, folk? Can a brother get a swing with a Pepto?
It's cold so whack.
My nose so stuck.
It's cold so whack.
My nose so stuck. This cold so whack. My nose so stuck. Got a bottle stuff, Noctra and Vic Vapor Rub. Cough.